I am the Milky Way galaxy. Look in the night sky to see a part of me. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Your solar system's just a tiny part of me. The Milky Way name came from a Greek goddess named Hera, who spilled milk across the sky. Greeks believed in that era. When you look at the darkest sky on a clear summer night, and you see the image of the Milky Way clear in sight, remember you can only see a small part of me, called the Galactic Core in my galaxy. Astronomers can't look at me from outside the galaxy, because I'm so massive and you don't have the technology. Based on other galaxies we see outside of our own, is why we conclude that our galaxy spiraled as I'm shown. When you look at a side view of the Milky Way here, you see me as a flat disk with a bulge center. I appear. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Look in the night sky to see a part of me. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Your solar system's just a tiny part of me. I was born about 13.6 billion years ago. That's a hypothesis given from astronomers, though. I am 100,000 light years in diameter. That's an estimate given by NASA, though they can't be sure. Your solar system's this tiny dot that you see right here. Astronomers think that Orion spurs where your system appears. Your system's guessed to be 25,000 light years from the galactic center of the Milky Way shown here. About 230 million years is what your system takes to orbit around the Milky Way center's cool shape. 200 to 400 billion stars live in me. That's an estimate only based on our astronomy. Over 100 billion planets might exist in me. Maybe someday you can see them in our galaxy. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Look in the night sky to see a part of me. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Your solar system's just a tiny part of me. Let's take a look at all the parts that you think I'm made of. We'll start by looking down at the galaxy above. The galactic core's the rotational center you can't see. Because of the interstellar dust, it cannot be studied. It's believed the center is a supermassive black hole. When astronomers find out more, then I will let you know. You'll notice the galactic bar and also the long bar. There's the 3 kpc arms, there is a near and there's a far. Then we have the Sagittarius and the Norma arms. Then the Orion spur, where your solar system spins on. The Scutum, Centaurus, and Perseus arm are 2 major spirals and full of the galaxy's charm. Finally, the outer arm and the new outer arm are the final spirals I will mention in this song. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Look in the night sky to see a part of me. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Your solar system's just a tiny part of me. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Look in the night sky to see a part of me. I am the Milky Way galaxy. Your solar system's just a tiny part of me. I am UI Scuti, the largest star in our galaxy. Find me in the night sky. I am UI Scuti, a red supergiant in the Scutum constellation am I. I was first cataloged in 1860 by German astronomers at Bonn Observatory. I was named BD-125055 until my second survey. I was found to be slightly more bright. That's when I was named UI Scuti, the 38th variable star of the constellation Scutum am I. I'm the largest known star in the Milky Way galaxy, but because I'm so far from Earth, you need a telescope but I have a radius more than 1700 times greater than the Earth's sun I span. I am UI Scuti, the largest star in our galaxy. Find me in the night sky. I am UI Scuti, a red supergiant in the Scutum constellation am I. I'm 9,500 light years away from your Earth. 1 light year equals about 5.88 trillion miles for what that's worth. I'm known to be one of the most luminous stars, and I am a red supergiant. I hope you like me so far. I'm close to the supermassive black hole Sagittarius A, galactic center, which is the center of our galaxy. I'm so large, if you replaced your sun with me, my photosphere would span past Jupiter's orbit. As you can see, I've begun to fuse helium and continue to fuse hydrogen in the shell around my core based on models of stellar evolution. After fusing heavy elements, my core will begin to produce iron, disrupting the balance of gravity and radiation in its core, and resulting in a core collapse supernova, which is expected in stars like me. Look for me in the night sky within your galaxy. I am UI Scuti, the largest star in our galaxy. Find me in the night sky. I am UI Scuti, a red supergiant in the Scutum constellation am I. I am UI Scuti, the largest star in our galaxy. Find me in the night sky. I am UI Scuti, a red supergiant in the Scutum constellation am I. There's over 200 billion galaxies in the observable universe that we might see. Let's look at this galaxy size comparison, from small to big, of course. Now here we come. I'm Segway 2, I'm a dwarf spheroidal galaxy, situated in the constellation of Aries. My radius is 110.89 light years, they say. Discovered in 2009 by Sloan Digital Sky Survey. My name's Messier 32, a dwarf early type galaxy am I. 2.65 million light years from Earth I fly. I was discovered in the year of 1749. I am 6,500 light years across, and that's just fine. I'm small, Magellanic Cloud, or Nubicula Minor, a dwarf irregular galaxy, there's nothing finer. I'm near the Milky Way, but not a stone's toss. My diameter's about 7,000 light years across. I'm Triangulum, a spiral galaxy, you see. Sometimes I'm referred to as a pinwheel galaxy. I was discovered officially in 1764. I'm 50,000 light years across. This info is now yours. I'm the Whirlpool Galaxy, also called Messier 51. I'm a spiral galaxy, my arms reach out while I'm spun. I was first discovered in the year of 1773. 76,000 light years is the distance across me. I'm the Milky Way galaxy, a gigantic spiral disk with a bright central bulge that you can't miss. I'm 100,000 light years, your sun is 8 kpc from my center. On what is known as Orion's arm, it's a real bender. I'm Hoag's object, a non-typical galaxy of the type known as a ring galaxy. As you can see, 121,000 light years across, bigger than the Milky Way, discovered by Arthur Hoag in 1958. There's over 200 billion galaxies in the observable universe that we might see. Let's look at this galaxy size comparison, from small to big, of course. Now here we come. I'm the Cartwheel Galaxy, a lenticular and ring galaxy, discovered by Fritz Zwicky in 1941. I'm 150,000 light years across, my beauty is number one. I am M101, also known as the Pinwheel Galaxy, discovered by Pierre Michon in 1781, if you please. I'm 170,000 light years across, nearly twice the size of the Milky Way. Now that's quite a toss. I'm the Andromeda Galaxy, a spiral galaxy, I say, in the nearest major galaxy to your Milky Way. My name stems from the constellation of Andromeda. I'm 220,000 light years across all BC, and yeah, I'm NGC 6872, also known as Condor Galaxy. I'm a large barred spiral galaxy, I'm sure you'd agree. Discovered in 1835 by John Herschel, the boss. I'm very large at 700,000 light years across. I'm the giant tadpole galaxy, a disrupted barred spiral. You see, I was discovered in the year of 2018. I'm 10 times the size of the Milky Way, that's extremely large, my friend. I'm 1 million light years long from end to end. I'm IC 1101, a supergiant elliptical galaxy. I'm one of the largest known galaxies found in your universe. You see, discovered in the year of 1790 by John Herschel. 6 million light years across, with stars I am full. There's over 200 billion galaxies in the observable universe that we might see. Let's look at this galaxy size comparison, from small to big, of course. Now here we come. I am Venus, I'm the second planet from the sun, and I'm the slowest rotating one of all the planets in our solar system. Now learn and have some fun. 243 Earth days is how long it takes for me to orbit the sun. That makes just one of my days. I'm 900 degrees, yeah, that's Fahrenheit. I'm the hottest planet in the solar system, that's right. The sun sets in my east and comes up in my west. Due to retrograde rotation, I spin backwards the best. I'm the third brightest object to the naked eye from the planet of Earth. When you look up in the sky, I am Venus, I'm the second planet from the sun, and I'm the slowest rotating one of all the planets in our solar system. Now learn and have some fun. Carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid clouds is what makes up my atmosphere, and for this I am very proud. Volcanoes, mountains, craters, and some big lava plains are what make up my bumpy surface, and my clouds make no rain. I was named Venus after the goddess of love. The Romans gave me my name due to my brightness above. I am Venus, I'm the second planet from the sun, and I'm the slowest rotating one of all the planets in our solar system. Now learn and have some fun. Earth has a second moon, it's me, provisionally designated 2016 HO3. Kamu Abrava is thought to be an asteroid, but that may have changed with new facts that we can avoid. I was first spotted in April of 2016 by Pan Stars Asteroid Survey Telescope. You now see this telescope is located on Haleakala in Hawaii, which is all part of the Haleakala Observatory. When I was discovered orbiting the Earth in a weird way, Kamu'alava was the name they gave me, even though it is extremely hard to say. I am very small compared to Earth's moon, measuring 164 feet across. I'm tiny, it's true. I circle the Earth in a repeating corkscrew-like trajectory, never closer than 40 to 100 times the 239,000 mile distance of your moon. You see, I'm odd, and this is why I don't reflect brightly in certain infrared frequencies or to the eye like other asteroids do. I'm a quirky satellite. And this is true. Because of this, researchers are starting to agree I may be a chip off your known moon flying free. Basically what you're seeing is a flying silicate caused by micrometeorite impacts in the space environment. It's possible when space rocks hit the moon at a high degree. When I was ejected into space, I am lunar debris. I am a near-Earth object, also known as NEO, part of a group of near-Earth asteroids called Apollo. I'm an object in a specific type of co-orbital configuration with a planet. I'm called a quasi-satellite. I know it's weird, but I didn't plan it. Earth has a second moon. It's me, provisionally designated 2016 HO3. Kamu Abrava is thought to be an asteroid, but that may have changed with new facts that we can't avoid. My name is Jupiter, the biggest planet you see. No planet in our solar system is bigger than me. My name is Jupiter, a windy planet I be, and I have 67 moons that rotate around me so free. The Romans gave me my name after their king of the gods, because my size is so massive in the sea of the stars. Callisto Europa, got a meet in Io. I'm my four biggest moons found by Galileo. I'm the fastest spinning planet in our solar system. 10 hours equals 1 day. My days as short as they come. It takes 12 Earth years for me to orbit the sun. That makes 1 year on my surface. That's a really long run. My name is Jupiter, the biggest planet you see. No planet in our solar system is bigger than me. My name is Jupiter, a windy planet I be, and I have 67 moons that rotate around me so free. 89,000 miles is the amount that I'm wide. I'm so big you can fit 1,000 Earths inside. I've got a giant red spot, it is a raging storm. Scientists think 400 years ago is when it took form. Hydrogen and helium make up most of my atmosphere. I am a gas giant in an impressive sphere. 3.13 is the amount of degrees that I tilt on my axis. Let's sing the chorus, please. My name is Jupiter, the biggest planet you see. No planet in our solar system is bigger than me. My name is Jupiter, a windy planet I be, and I have 67 moons that rotate around me so free. If I were 80 times more massive, I would have become a star, because I'm made of the same elements as the sun. How bizarre. That much mass would cause a pressure and temperature within me to cause hydrogen to fuse with helium, creating energy. My gravity's 2.4 times more than Earth, so what does that mean? Weighing 100 pounds on Earth is 240 pounds on me. My name is Jupiter, the biggest planet you see. No planet in our solar system is bigger than me. My name is Jupiter, a windy planet I be, and I have 67 moons that rotate around me so free. I'm a star called the sun. I'm the center of our solar system. You revolve around me as we fly around the galaxy. All of the planets in our solar system, they orbit while they follow me. 230 million years is the time I take to fly around the Milky Way galaxy. I don't a solid surface, I'm made up of gases held together by my own gravity. I'm made of 92.1% hydrogen H2 and 7.8% helium He. I'm a star called the sun. I'm the center of our solar system. You revolve around me as we fly around the galaxy. My core is 25% of my total mass and 27 million degrees. My energy is the reason there is life on Earth. There'll be no charge 'cause I'm totally free. My mass makes up 99.8% of our solar system. Nothing in our system's hot as me. I'm a star called the sun. I'm the center of our solar system. You revolve around me as we fly around the galaxy. Let's fly, 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 let's fly. I am Uranus and I have 13 rings now. Come sing along and learn about me. Oh, I am Uranus, the seventh planet from the sun. About 17 hours is just one day on me. I have 27 moons named after Shakespeare characters, and I have 13 rings that you can clearly see. About 84 Earth years makes just one Uranian year, and my seasons last about 20 years each. Negative 350 is my average degree, and William Herschel did discover me. I am Uranus and I have 13 rings now. Come sing along and learn about me. About 1.8 billion miles is my distance from the sun, and I am an icy giant, it's so cold on me. My atmosphere is mostly made up of the following three: hydrogen, methane, and helium He. The tilt of my axis is at 98 degrees. It's one of the steepest tilts in our galaxy. Most of my mass is made up of the following three: water, methane, and ammonia, and H3. I am Uranus and I have 13 rings now. Come sing along and learn about me. 31,500 miles is the diameter of me. That's 4 times the diameter of the Earth you see. I was named Uranus after the Greek sky deity. My blue-green colors from the atmosphere on me. I am Uranus and I have 13 rings now. Come sing along and learn about me. I am Uranus and I have 13 rings now. Come sing along and learn about me. I am the first planet from our sun you see. My name is Mercury. Nothing orbits faster than me. The smallest planet with the second hottest degree. My name is Mercury. No one is smaller than me. Messenger of the gods is what Mercury means. The Romans gave me my name 'cause I'm the fastest they'd seen. A bit bigger I be than the Earth's moon that you see. To fill the Earth one time, it would take 18 of me. I am the first planet from our sun that beams, but I'm the second hottest. I can reach 800 degrees. 88 Earth days is the amount that I take to orbit orbit our sun once. That makes 1 year on me. I am the first planet from our sun, you see. My name is Mercury. Nothing orbits faster than me. The smallest planet with the second hottest degree. My name is Mercury. No one is smaller than me. 59 Earth days equals 1 day on me. My surface is made of stone, covered in craters you see. Oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium, and potassium make up my exosphere. I have no moons and I have no rings, but I'm the second densest planet amongst other things. I am the first planet from our sun, you see. My name is Mercury. Nothing orbits faster than me. The smallest planet with the second hottest degree. My name is Mercury. No one is smaller than me. My name is Ceres. I am a dwarf planet, the furthest dwarf from the sun the humans found yet. On January 5th in 2005, the KLT Observatory had brought me to life. A team led by astronomer Michael Ground. The biggest dwarf in mass is what they had found. They believe my surface is covered in nitrogen ice, but you'd have to visit me to make sure that's precise. In 2006, the IAU named me and gave me dwarf status, yeah, officially. My name is Ceres. I am a dwarf planet, the furthest dwarf from the sun the humans found yet. Minus 390 is my average degree. If you made it to my surface, then you'd probably freeze. To know me is my one natural satellite, see. It means lawlessness and it is always orbiting me. I'm 27% more massive than your Pluto. Yeah, Pluto is slightly larger than I am, you know. I take 557 Earth years to orbit the sun. When I orbit, I leave the Kuiper belt on my run. My name is Ceres. I am a dwarf planet, the furthest dwarf from the sun the humans found yet. My name is Neptune, the 8th planet from our burning sun. I've got 6 rings made of dust and some rocky chunks. I got my name from the Romans, it means God of the sea. My upper atmosphere has methane, that's why I have blue on me. Hydrogen and helium are the rest of my atmosphere. I have 13 moons with one still waiting to confirm it's here. Minus 392 degrees an average day on me, and my winds are the strongest than any planet in our system, see. My name is Neptune, the 8th planet from our burning sun. I've got 6 rings made of dust and some rocky chunks. About 165 Earth years makes 1 Neptunian year. 57.7 Earths could fit in my giant sphere. 2.8 billion miles is my distance from our sun. 1 day on me is about 16 Earth hours of cold fun. No life as we know it could survive on me. I'm the 4th largest planet in our system, you'd have to agree. My name is Neptune, the 8th planet from our burning sun. I've got 6 rings made of dust and some rocky chunks. I'm Maki, I was named by the human race. I'm the 3rd largest dwarf planet in outer space. And my color is red and I have no atmosphere. Have you noticed my shape? I am a perfect sphere. On March 31st in 2005 is when the Palomar Observatory brought me to life. Easter Bunny was my name when they discovered 2008 is so much to learn on the planet of Mars. The red planet in a billion stars. Come and sing along about the planet of Mars. On the fourth planet from our burning sun, and the second smallest planet in our solar system. I have the tallest mountain named Olympus Mons. It's the biggest volcano in our whole system. Phobos and Deimos are my two moons. Phobos is larger of the orbiting two. It circles me 3 times a day, and that's true. But it takes 30 hours for Deimos to loop. Let's visit the planet of Mars. There's so much to learn on the planet of Mars. The red planet in a billion stars. Come and sing along about the planet of Mars. I'm 142 million miles away from the sun and its heat, and that's why I'm chilly. When you're on my surface and you probably freeze, I am a cold negative 81 degrees. 24 hours and 37 minutes long is a full day on Mars, so you've learned in this song. 687 is the amount of days it takes to orbit the sun for my year to take place. Let's visit the planet of Mars. There is so much to learn on the planet of Mars. The red planet in a billion stars. Come and sing along about the planet of Mars. Let's visit the planet of Mars. There is so much to learn on the planet of Mars. The red planet in a billion stars. Come and sing along about the planet of Mars. My name's Haumea, I am the third dwarf from the sun. I am oval in shape due to the fast rotations I'm spun. My name's Haumea, there is debate on who discovered me. It was either Caltech or a Spanish observatory. My first nickname was Santa before the IA, you named me. 2008 they changed me to dwarf status officially. Yeah, I am oval, it's because I rotate at a high speed. One of our system's fastest rotating large objects I be. My name Haumea comes from the Hawaiian culture, you see. It means goddess of childbirth and fertility. My name's Haumea, I am the third dwarf from the sun. I am oval in shape due to the fast rotations I'm spun. I have 2 moons, Hayaka and Namaka, orbiting me. Namaka is the smaller, Hayaka is large and icy. 3.9 hours makes just 1 day on my rocky surface. I take 285 Earth years to make 1 orbit. My surface is believed to have a thin but icy coating. Yeah, I'm unique to other dwarf planets, I am gloating. I'm Haumea, I am the third dwarf from the sun. I am oval in shape due to the fast rotations I'm spun. I am the Earth, the only planet with organic life. With 8.7 million species, we all fight to survive. You all live on me, so work like bees in a hive. And keep this planet really healthy so that we can all thrive. My atmosphere is 78% nitrogen. Another 21% of it is oxygen. Another small percentages of other elements. Without my atmosphere around, you would be frozen. I take 365 Earth days to orbit the sun. 24 hours makes 1 day, that's just 1 time that I'm spun. You won't fly off into space, gravity's pulling you down as fast as 9.8 meters a second towards the ground. I am the Earth, the only planet with organic life. With 8.7 million species, we all fight to survive. You all live on me, so work like bees in a hive. And keep this planet really healthy so that we can all thrive. There are 12 different types of climates that exist 26.7 million species, we all fight to survive. You all live on me, so work like bees in a hive, and keep this planet really healthy so that we can all thrive. Saturn, the sixth planet from the sun. I'm known for my rings by everyone. I'm the second largest planet in our solar system. Please come sing along until my teachings are done. Out of my 62 moons, 53 are named. I am a gas giant, all astronomers claim. 36,184 is my radius in miles for you to explore. 10.44 meters, that's per second you drop. That's my gravity pulling towards my surface top. 10 hours and 39 minutes long is a day on my surface. Let's sing this song. I am Saturn, the sixth planet from the sun. I'm known for my rings by everyone. I'm the second largest planet in our solar system. Please come sing along until my teachings are done. Takes 29 years for me to orbit the sun, and my rings are made up of rock and icy chunks. 886 million miles away is my distance from the sun. That is why I'm Chile. Hydrogen and helium are what I'm mostly made of, and my atmosphere from the surface above. 26.7 is the amount of degrees to spin on my axis. I'm so cold that you freeze. I am Saturn, the sixth planet from the sun. I'm known for my rings by everyone. I'm the second largest planet in our solar system. Please come sing along until my teachings are done. I am Saturn, the sixth planet from the sun. I'm known for my rings by everyone. I'm the second largest planet in our solar system. Please come sing along until my teachings are done. This is the Oort cloud, a spherical layer of icy objects surrounding our sun. This is the Oort cloud, which is a theoretical concept astronomers had spun. The Oort cloud is the most distant region in the solar system. It's much farther than the Kuiper belt. We're filling you with this wisdom. The Oort cloud's supposedly a giant spherical shell surrounding the rest of the solar system as you're propelled. There could be billions or even trillions of objects within the Oort cloud. That's what NASA projects. This Oort cloud could be the source of most comets. This is thought because of a comet's long period orbit. The distance of this Oort cloud from your sun is estimated to be 2,000 to 100,000 AU on its run. One astronomical unit, or AU, is the distance between Earth and the sun, like you see on your screen. This is the Oort cloud, a spherical layer of icy objects surrounding our sun. This is the Oort cloud, which is a theoretical concept astronomers had spun. The first description of the Oort cloud was in 1950 by Jan Hendrik, or the Dutch astronomer you see. This Oort cloud's divided into two regions you see here, a dish-shaped inner Oort cloud and an outer Oort cloud sphere. There's never been a confirmed direct observation of the Oort cloud, so it continues to be speculation. This region's thought to have formed 4.6 billion years ago, after the formation of the planets in the solar system though. This is the Oort cloud, a spherical layer of icy objects surrounding our sun. This is the Oort cloud, which is a theoretical concept astronomers had spun. I am the sun, the center of your solar system. I do erupt intense high energy radiation. This radiation I expel is called the solar flare. You'll learn about this song and why you should care. The sun is a ball of plasma, like an extremely hot ocean shaped like a wheel. This plasma is pushed around and shaped by the sun's magnetic field. When the sun's plasma swirls around by its magnetic field, it gets twisted and releases energy around sunspots. They are real. This energy released is caused by magnetic knots. When one of these knots breaks, it releases solar flares, so you are taught. Solar flares are waves of high energy radiation shot through the solar system in which we are all one. These solar flares race through space at the speed of light, creating a solar proton storm. These storms are no delight. When millions of tons of plasma are thrown from the sun's atmosphere, these storms are called coronal mass ejections, as you see right here. These CMEs reach speeds of 5.6 million miles per hour. When they hit Earth, it doesn't hurt living beings, even with such power. The Earth's atmosphere protects life from the biggest solar storms by absorbing the impact, so beings on the surface are safe from harm. When a CME is too big, it creates a solar superstorm that occur once or twice a century, so you've been warned. If a solar superstorm did happen in this day and age, it would shoot billions of tons of plasma from the sun, I do say. If this type of CME traveled across space towards the Earth, it would reach you in one day. Yeah, that's fast for what that is worth. Its shockwave would compress Earth's magnetic field, making it frail. The two magnetic fields would merge, stretching Earth's field into a thin tail. This stretched tail can't contain this energy anymore. When it snaps, it releases explosive energy towards the Earth that it stored. This creates something very rare called the geomagnetic storm. Normally, no living thing on Earth would even know it had formed. The only thing it would affect is your electricity, because you rely on this so much it would disrupt human life, you see. Because Earth is covered in millions of electric wires and transformers, this geomagnetic storm would shut down the power. Humans would be overturned. If one of these storms hit the Earth, electricity and internet would not work. All things powered by electricity would turn off, along with all networks. Computers wouldn't work, along with phones and electronic devices. No refrigerators or any other household appliances. Even though we can't stop these terrible solar storms, their nasty side effects can be prevented by how we are warned. Engineers would have a day or two to unplug major power grids until the solar storm passes Earth, preventing blackouts we forbid. Humans need to prepare for these types of storms to prevent being thrown back to the Stone Age before they form. A cool event humans experience from any solar storm is the aurora borealis. At the two poles is where they perform. I'm the life-giving sun, you all need me to live, but I am unpredictable, so solar storms I give. I am the sun, the center of your solar system. I do erupt intense high energy radiation. This radiation I expel is called the solar flare. You'll learn about them in this song and why you should care. I'm the ISS, the International Space Station. 1998 was the year that begun my construction. I make multiple orbits around the Earth every day. Let's learn more about my history as we orbit in space. I fly around the world every 90 minutes. I orbit the Earth 16 times in 24 hours, that's legit. I'm 357 feet long from end to end. Am I? After the moon, I'm the second brightest object in your sky. I have 2 bathrooms on board, there's also 1 gym. I have 6 sleeping quarters and 6 spaceship docks for the win. Here's a brief history about how I came to be. Pay attention to my incredible collaborative construction. construction story. The idea of the space station was science fiction until the 1940s. The structure might be built by many nations. In the 1950s, designs of spaceships and space stations began to develop. With the beginning of the space age and it gained traction. The first rudimentary station was created in 1969 by the linking of two Russian Soyuz vehicles in line. In 1984, the US President Ronald Reagan told NASA to build the ISS for many nations. Then in 1998, the construction had begun of the only international space station. That year, the first segment of the ISS launched in November 20th by the Russian Proton rocket named Zarya. It's no myth. The Unity node from the US launched December 4th by the Space Shuttle Endeavour, set it on its course. The Endeavour met Zarya in orbit with the Unity node to make the first connection with the Russian segment, you know. In the year 2000, the first crew to man the space shuttle adrift was Bill Shepard, Yuri Gitsenko, and Sergei Krikalev. The US lab module was added in 2001. Then the European and Japanese lab joined in 2008, and we're not done. The ISS consists of 15 nations: Canada, Japan, and the Russian Federation, the United States, and the European Space Agency. They are Belgium, Denmark, France, Germany, and Italy, the Netherlands, Norway, Spain, and Sweden, Switzerland, and the famed United Kingdom. Maybe you will have the chance to visit me someday and be another part of the ISS and its history. I'm the ISS, the International Space Station. 1998 was the year that begun my construction. I make multiple orbits around the Earth every day. Let's learn more about my history as we orbit in space. I'm a star surrounded by a circumstellar disk. My name is HG100546. I'm a star surrounded by a circumstellar disk from the constellation of Musca. Now hear this. My name is HG100546. I'm 316.4 light years from your Earth with exoplanet. I'm a star with a circumstellar disk from the distance of 0.2 AU to a few hundred AU. Now this, I'm found in the constellation of Musca. Hear this. I'm a B-type star with an exoplanet that does orbit. I have an exoplanet that goes by the name you see. It is HD100546b. I'm HD100546b. I was discovered at the Very Large Telescope in Chile. Astronomers think I might be a large planet or brown dwarf located in the disk around my star on my orbital course. I'm a gas giant exoplanet, they know this for sure. My mass is 752 Jupiters. One orbit takes 249 years around my star. I'm 53 AU away from my star, that is far. My discovery was announced in 2014. That's all I have to report, that's enough about me. I am back again, it's HG100546. Let me tell you a bit more about my disk. My circumstellar disk was observed by the Hubble telescope, which showed spiral patterns. What they mean, no one really knows. My disk is fairly flat with a circular shape, with a wide gap thought to be carved by my exoplanet. How great! When looking at the night sky, try to locate the constellation of Musca, but you have to look late. I'm a star surrounded by a circumstellar disk. My name is HG100546. I'm a star surrounded by a circumstellar disk from the constellation of Musca. Now hear this. a blue-white supergiant star in the Orion constellation. I am the brightest so far. William Herschel studied astronomy. In the year of 1781 he discovered me. I have an estimated age of 7 to 9 million years. As for an estimate, that's fine. I've exhausted my core of hydrogen fuel, becoming a supergiant after I expanded and I cooled. I expect to end my life as a type 2 supernova. Here is more, leaving a neutron star or black hole, but no one knows for sure. I'm classified as a blue-white supergiant star, how fun, which is a hot luminous star that's bigger than your sun. I belong to the Orion constellation. Locate me from the celestial equator, from Earth on my run. I am visible throughout the world, of this I am sure. Located in the hunter's leg of Orion, I assure. From the Earth my distance is 860 light years to be clear. 1 light year is the distance light travels in 1 Earth year. 61,500 to 363,000 times as luminous as the sun. My brightness is so grand, but I'll vary slightly in brightness until the day I'm done. I'm thought to be 18 to 24 times more massive than your sun. My radius is a straight line from my center to my circumference, which is more than 70 times that of your sun in reference. My surface temperature is 12,100 kK, meaning Kelvin, a base unit of temperature in the SI. I say, the next time you're out at night, look for Orion in the sky. Look for the hunter's leg. I'm bright to the naked eye. My name is Rigel, a blue-white supergiant star in the Orion constellation. I am the brightest so far. My name is Rigel, a blue-white supergiant star in the Orion constellation. I am the brightest so far. We're Alpha Centauri, the closest star system to the solar system your Earth is from. Alpha Centauri is a triple star system. We're 4.37 light years away from your sun. We're Alpha Centauri A and Alpha Centauri B, which forms a pair of stars called binary. Alpha Centauri A officially Rigel Centaurus. Alpha Centauri B officially Ptolemy I trust. Centauri C officially Proxima Centauri. Here we'll learn about our size and our luminosity. Alpha Centauri A and B are sun-like stars. We're the brightest stars in the constellation Centaurus by far. Alpha Centauri A has 1.1 times the mass and 1.5 times the luminosity of the sun in this class. Alpha Centauri B is smaller and cooler, you should know, at 0.9 times the sun's mass and 0.4 the luminosity shown. We orbit around a common center or around one another, so you'd understand better, with an orbital period of almost 80 years by far. And from a distance we're so close we look like one star. I'm Proxima Centauri, a small and faint red dwarf star. You cannot see me with the naked eye, though I'm the closest star by far. I'm about 4.24 light years from the Earth, and I'm the closest star to the sun for what that is worth. Discovered in 1915 by astronomer Robert Innes, I'm sure, in South Africa at the Union Observatory in Johannesburg. My Latin name Proxima Centauri means when this is defined, the nearest star of Centaurus, that's all that's assigned. We're Alpha Centauri, the closest star system to the solar system your Earth is from. Alpha Centauri is a triple star system. We're 4.37 light years away from your sun. We're Alpha Centauri A and Alpha Centauri B, which forms a pair of stars called binary. Alpha Centauri A officially Rigel Centaurus. Alpha Centauri B officially totally mine, I trust. Centauri C officially Proxima Centauri. Here we'll learn about our size and our luminosity. We're all stars compared to each other by size. You can see a lot of us when you look into the night sky. We're all stars, our colors vary, you know. We're made mostly of hydrogen and helium, here we go. I'm the crab pulsar, a young neutron star. I'm Calvera, an isolated neutron star that's far. My name's Vela X1, I'm a neutron star as well. Sirius B, that's me, a small white dwarf as you can tell. I'm EBLMJ0555-57AB. My name's Trappist-1, an ultra cool red dwarf star in sight. I'm Proxima Centauri, a main sequence red dwarf star. I am your sun, a yellow dwarf that isn't too far. Alpha Centauri A is an orange star, you see. I am Sirius A main sequence star, that's me. We're all stars compared to each other by size. You can see a lot of us when you look into the night sky. We're all stars, our colors vary, you know. We're made mostly of hydrogen and helium, here we go. VFTS 352, contact binary 1 and 2, composed of two very hot, bright, massive stars that orbit each other, it's true. My name is Pollux, a red giant star here. Arcturus is a red giant star, I hope I made that clear. R136A1 is a Wolf Riot star thus far. I'm Aldebaran, a red giant star, that's me. Rigel is here, a blue-white supergiant you can see. I am Betelgeuse and I'm a red supergiant in class. VY Canis Majoris, a red hypergiant star with mass. I'm UI Scuti, the biggest red supergiant this far. Join us to sing the chorus, now get your head out of the stars. We're all stars compared to each other by size. You can see a lot of us when you look into the night sky. We're all stars, our colors vary, you know. We're made mostly of hydrogen and helium, here we go. We're all stars compared to each other by size. You can see a lot of us when you look into the night sky. We're all stars, our colors vary, you know. We're made mostly of hydrogen and helium, here we go.